A light wave traveling linearly in a medium of dielectric constant 4 incident on the horizontal interface separating medium with air, the angle of incidence for which total intensity of incident wave will be reflected back into the same medium will be A 10 degree, B 20 degree, C 30 degree and D 60 degree. So we know for total internal reflection, I will always be greater than critical angle. So we have sin I greater than sin theta C. Sin theta C we can write it as sin I greater than mu of rarer medium by mu of denser medium. We know mu we can also write it as root of mu r into epsilon r by using a relative refractive index. And we are given the question mu r for medium is 1 and dielectric constant is 4. So we have mu r by mu d is equal to, here the rarer medium is air, so we have root 1 into 1 by root 4 into 1. Now we have it as 1 by 2. Now we can write sin I greater than 1 by 2. For sin I to be greater than 1 by 2, I should be greater than 30 degree. So that means I should be 60 degree. According to options anyway, I should be 60 degree. That is our option D.